Tamil Nadu CPM State Secretary K. Balakrishnan has written to the Chief Election Commissioner demanding to ban the telecast of news when Prime Minister Modi meditates in Kanyakumari. This is a complaint that has gone in from the communist leader in Tamil Nadu, where Kanyakumari is where Prime Minister Modi will be arriving. In his complaint, Balakrishnan has said Prime Minister is waiting to meditate, but this is Prime Minister wanting to meditate is his personal choice. Why should it be aired live by the media channels? And they are alleging this is deliberate ploy by the Bharatiya Janata Party to turn it into a propaganda for the party. He's basically now suggesting that the Election Commission should take note of it. This is a complaint that has gone in from the Tamil Nadu leader. Let's listen in, and this is the letter on your screens. This is the complaint letter that has been sent. Prime Minister Modi's arrival, remember, and a full day almost that is planned of Prime Minister Modi for the meditation that is suggested in Kanyakumari. And this is after 2019 in Kedarnath, now Tamil Nadu in 2024. Let's bring in Shilpa Nair for the latest on that. Shilpa, the election season, so to say, is still on. It's not yet concluded. What is specifically the reason that the Tamil Nadu leader has written to the Election Commission?
When Pooja, the Prime Minister, is set to arrive in Tamil Nadu in Kanyakumari this evening, and tomorrow, of course, he'll sit on a full-day meditation at the iconic Vivekananda Memorial in Kanyakumari. But there's a lot of objection that is being raised by the opposition parties here in Tamil Nadu. It started, of course, with Tamil Nadu Congress President Selva Perunthalai saying that Prime Minister should not be doing this because it will be a violation of the Model Code of Conduct because the elections are still happening. The last phase, of course, will be held on June 1st. And likewise, now, of course, Tamil Nadu CPM State Secretary K. Balakrishnan has also written to the Election Commissioner saying that news channels should not be allowed to air this meditation of the Prime Minister. He, of course, goes on to say that Prime Minister wanting to meditate is his own personal choice and they have no problem with that. But airing it live by media organizations will become a huge propaganda material for Prime Minister Modi and the BJP. And he also highlights that the Prime Minister being in the limelight in the day of election amounts to serious violation of the MCC. So these are some of the reasons why the opposition parties in Tamil Nadu are opposing to the Prime Minister's visit to Kanyakumari.
Election campaign is over, and that's one of the reasons that Prime Minister Modi is in Tamil Nadu. But CPM leader says meditation is personal. Why should it be telecast for the BJP? So the election campaign has come to an end. For the Prime Minister, it has come to an end with a spiritual plan. Prime Minister Modi, who is known to undertake earlier as well these spiritual journeys, for example, remember 2019 Kedarnath 2-day visit. Now Prime Minister will be in Kanyakumari today. He will visit the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari and meditate for the Viksit Bharat vision, as we are told. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Kanyakumari is also a signal of national unity. There is clearly a message here that Prime Minister is attempting to send across. He will meditate at the memorial, we are told, for about 48 hours, 2 days, which means begins today, 30th May evening at the Dhyan Mandapam, the same place where Swami Vivekananda is believed to have meditated and had the vision of Bharat Mata. Politics expectedly has erupted over this. Prime Minister Modi's visit, even before the arrival, has turned into a showdown. Opposition parties are accusing that this is a violation of a model code of conduct.
सुना है कि जहां पर विवेकानंद जी कभी मेडिटेशन किए थे, वहीं पर हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी मेडिटेशन करने जा रहे हैं। ये मेडिटेशन की जरूरत तो पहले थी, 5 साल पहले या 7 साल पहले, जब आपको देश के लिए काम करना था। अरे 10 साल के बाद तो आपको फुर्सत ही फुर्सत है, आप जितना चाहोगे उतनी मेडिटेशन कर लोगे। और दूसरा, वहां तो भारत की सीमा खत्म हो जाती है, उसके बाद तो आगे पानी पानी है, पता नहीं कहाँ चले जाएंगे उसके आगे।
अच्छी बात है, कन्याकुमारी जा रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा है। तो 1 दशक गुजर गया है और जहाँ अमृतकाल की बात कर रहे थे, आज अगर हम देखेंगे गांव-गांव जाके, शहरों में कहीं पे भी जाएंगे, अगर हम किसी की भी व्यवस्था को देखेंगे, चाहे वो हमारा किसान हो, चाहे हमारे युवा हो, चाहे हमारी माताएं हो, चाहे मजदूर हो, चाहे व्यापारी हो, तो चाहे हमारे बुनकर हो, मैं समझती हूँ कहीं ना कहीं ये सभी लोग अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं आहत और मायूस समझ रहे हैं। और ये समझ चुके हैं कि इनकी दोहरा चेहरा जो है भाजपा का, जो कहते कुछ है, करते कुछ है, होता कुछ और है। तो मैं समझती हूँ अब जो पर्दा है अभी हट चुका है और अब जनता जनार्दन की सरकार बनने जा रही है।
उन्होंने आज घोषणा की है कि वो विवेकानंद स्मारक जाएंगे, 2 दिन में वहाँ मेडिटेशन में रहेंगे। वही स्मारक से 7 सितंबर 2022 को राहुल गांधी जी ने अपनी भारत जोड़ो यात्रा की शुरुआत की थी, उसी जगह से। और कल प्रधानमंत्री वहां जा रहे हैं और बैठेंगे मेडिटेशन में। हाँ, बहुत कुछ सोचने के लिए है उनका विषय। 4 तारीख के बाद में मैं क्या करूंगा, गांधीनगर में रहूंगा कि अहमदाबाद में रहूंगा, कहाँ रहूंगा।
He is absolutely divine. And he should go and meditate. All I can hope for is that he's going to need a lot of meditation after the 4th of June. So let's hope he stays there for a while.